gutigana na ingo kwira guika ase kiunga chigosori twirarera singo komanya timu ya Shabana tore bobeni ya yekora timu ya KCB chigolibera ase liga na Sagero ase goli ntangani yabe kwa no mwakengo yo brand michira setegemerongera na kianda nabuge yakabera makobe kwa no mwakengo yo myaka 15 nebera Agostino Odongo uyonyorera timu ya Shabana goli yabo yakabera setegeka yemerongo kianda roboti urasenchere wekiranu urasomurike ito Morena Siango.
Timu ya Shabana eyogwakira chinko cha chianga imegetikia Gusii Stadium nigo lituko ya lero ya ikore timu ya KCB chigoli bera seliga na Sagero nigo banyolera igoli ntangani kurwa somogosoria brand michira aseda ikaye merongebere na kianda negoli yakabere nigo yacha kurwa somogosoria Austin Odongo oyibo igo ya lengentunda entangani ko yegosereria timu ya Shabana FC nigo egoli yo yacha ekero gichinga kichiri cyanyara ko bachi commentwa magaye gosoligo ika chidaika emerongo kianda nigo boigo mokocha bwe timu ya Shabana FC Peter Okidi aho kiwana gokolia bya bwe timu ya asate banigo balene kerenga kiugo cha koimukia obonyangongo bwa mamerania.
Kwa majina ni naitwa Peter Okidi. Nasema tunashukuru Mungu kwa ushindi, tunashukuru Mungu kwa mchezo mzuri. So just go back to the drawing board and work for the next game. Nashukuru, nasema hii ligi haina ule anaongoza ama ule iko chini. Ukiangalia ligi is very competitive na sisi kama team ama any coach ambaye anataka kuchukua title, ukitaka kuchukua title lazima ule mtu wako juu yako pia unajaribu kumuondoa hapo juu. So tunaweza sema ni game plan nzuri, tumeplan vizuri na I think imetupatia results. So sisi ni each game at a time, as we humble ourselves, each game at a time, then I believe season ikiisha kila mtu atakuwa na smile.
Nigo boigo musubati omochole kurwa Minnesota Hulda Momanyi amono momnyoki egiata merimora baikira na segeti kia Gusii Stadium ase boigo musubati Hulda Momanyi anyara kobaga korokyo kogokibwa gotia timu ya Shabana ase kegima yanyara kobaga koita timu yuera ita semesa ya mameranio KPL nigo boigo anyara kobaga gukwana abune timu ya Shabana nigeganiri obokonyi elianne mono konyara kobaga kogendra okolyo bya ase chi
great state of Minnesota, and I am here in Gusii land in Kisii Stadium to really celebrate with Shabana, one of the best clubs in Kenya, actually in the world. Just gonna put it out there, and really support these young guys. They had already scored. I was like, okay, but then at the end there, the last couple of seconds when they scored, it solidifies why they're on top of the bracket right now. Super excited about looking into a couple of partnership programs. Maybe there can be an exchange program between the club over there and Shabana. Sindio? So that way they can exchange knowledge, they can exchange training tips, they can exchange coaching tips as well. But also, we want to make sure that this team is equipped, right? If we want them to stay at the top, we want to be able to give them enough equipment. We want to make sure that the players feel like they're valued by making sure that they're getting paid what they are worth and the work that they're putting in. And then also make sure that the coaches have the resources to be able to, continue coaching this team to maintain that top seat.
Nechinkoyo chinde boigo nigo chianyara ko bachiko gosori gwase weekend iga na sama merania ya FKF Kenya Premier League nigo timu ya Kakamega Homeboys ya kote gosori ya ene timu Ulinzi Stars ritkolego na makalia ya Masayemo timu ya Nairobi City Stars nerega kore gosori ya makalia ya Masayemo ne timu ya FC Talanta marashuge kaikore timu ya Karibangisha segole ya Maseliga na Lisagero Police ga kore gosori ya egole ya Maseliga na Lisagero ne timu ya Gor Mahia na boiga timu ya Muranga Silnigo ya ikore timu ya Posta Rangers segole ya Maseliga na Lisagero FC Leopards ya Tringaran timu ya Sofapaka egole ya Maseliga na Lisagero na boiga timu ya Bandari ya kore gosori ya makalia ibere ya Seibere ne timu ya Mathare United. Timu ya KCB ne timu etanga ina semesa ya mamerano ya FKF Kenya Premier League na boiga timu ya Shabana nigo enyora libagali gusiko gwika libagali ya gatano asebona iga timu ya KCB babwete ne point nya choka ase timu ya KCB bwate point emerongo ebere na inya ase timu ya Shabana ibwate point emerongo ebere ginko reporter ya Getembe Television Network chenigo nkoro kwa